Grady, can you say 9-9? More? Okay, mommy do more, but you gotta work for it, brother. Say mama. Mama.
She said mommy.
Say bug.
Mom.
Say dada. Say love. Say book. Say tickle time. Say.
Show him something, see if he can get it.
Say car. Say k. What does the K say? Good. Say stop. Ow. Ouch. Say banana. Say banana.
Whitney, calm down, please. Whitney, it's Grady's turn to try and say some words. Okay, give him a second.
Say bell. Say balloon. Say night-night. Night-night. Say amen. Say amen. Say amen. Say amen. No? Can you say whoa? Say up. Say up. Say down. Say again. Again. Say tickle. Say tickle. Say diaper.